Welcome to Travel Discovery. I'm Lisa and I will be your host. Today we are in the Philippines discovering the world's biggest IKEA that opened in November 2021. IKEA was founded in 1953 in Sweden. IKEA opened its biggest store in the world in the Philippines with the new 730,000 square foot facility in Manila, a cornerstone of the home furnishing giant's expansion plans in Asia. This is also the first physical store in the Philippines. Yes, they do serve IKEA's favorite Swedish meatballs, accompanied with a twist, served with a special Filipino adobe sauce. This new facility houses a two-level, 270,000 square foot store, dining area and showroom, warehouses, an e-commerce facility, and a call center. It's on property leased by SM Prime Holdings Incorporated's Mall of Asia. Opening comes as IKEA has expanded its e-commerce presence, which proved timely during the pandemic, with online orders now accounting for 26% of its global sales. The company, which has more than 460 physical stores in about 60 markets, is planning to add nearly 60 more locations in the current financial year. And it's not just looking toward Asia, it will take its first step into South America this spring, opening a branch in Santiago, Chile. The Manila store was initially scheduled to open in 2020, but faced delays due to COVID-induced movement restrictions and the disruption of construction material supplies. It's part of a move to expand in Asia, with the brand recently unveiling its second store in India. IKEA is fitting for a country like the Philippines with high growth rates and a booming middle class of young professionals looking to spend money on stylish furniture and homes newly purchased during a roaring property boom. Well, at least that was the Philippines before the pandemic hit. See you next time on Travel Discovery to see what we will discover next. If you visited this IKEA, please let us know in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe. Happy travels, everyone.